Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. We are now in example 2, module 8. We are talking about interrupt in microcontrolling start as professional. We will do in this example two operations. What do we mean by two operations? We have one operation which is running, and the interruption operation will interrupt it and do the function that is supposed to be done and go back to operation 1. So for the circuit in figure below, so we need to build a circuit like this one. Write a C program utilizing the external interrupt of Atmega. Actually, we are going to use Atmega 32 to perform operation 1 and operation 2 as described below. So operation 1, a roll action is performed using the LEDs. The first LED is lit and rolled down to the last LED, then back to first LED. This operation is done continuously. So done continuously, that means how to interpret this, that means we are doing this in the while one. So the while one, this operation will be continuously done. So start from here, on, off, off again, on, until all of them. Okay, so it will be rolling over. Operation 2, all the LED blink 5 times. So on off 5 times, all the LEDs together. On startup, operation 1 is executed and continues indefinitely. That means continuously. If the push button switch is pressed, operation 1 is paused and operation 2 is carried out, after which operation 1 is resumed. So as you see, this button is connected to interrupt 0. So this is interrupt action. When you push this button, the rolling action will stop at the LED which was on last time. Then all the LED will be blinking 5 times and then go and continue. So how to do this? Let's see the solution. Of course, after including the necessary files, we need to use interrupt 0. So interrupt 0 is passed to the ISR function, the interrupt service routine. So what we need to do here, I use a temporary variable to save board C. To save board C, this is actually to save the current value of data board. Then this loop is to make the LED blinking 5 times. So board C 0, all the LED is off. We delay half a second. Okay, this one is actually 0.5, sorry. So 0.5 seconds, then on again, so FF, so 0 0, wait, FF, all on, wait, and this will be repeated 5 times. So the LED will blink 5 times. Then after this action finish, I restore the value before the blinking. So that's will restore the data, and like this we finish the interrupt action. So this is the interrupt action. When interrupt button is pushed, this action will be called. Okay. Now the main program, we do initialization as we did in example 1. So DDRD, I make sure PD2 is input, port D PD2 1. This is actually the pull up resistor as explained in example 1. Then DDRC, all of them I configure them as output because I will use all the board as output. Board C equal to 0 1, I initialize data to be 1. So this is just initialization. The first LED will be on. I enable the global interrupt. GICR, I make sure to enable interrupt 0, and MCUCR, I am using the falling edge. Now this is the continuous action, the main action, that's the rolling. So it starts from 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, then I use shifting. So each time I shift 1, shift 1, so this will be 0 and this one continuously until I reach 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so in this case, the next shift, this will go out and this will be 0. That's why I make this condition. If I reach this case, go back to the initial case, which is all 0 except the 1. So this will do operation continuously, okay? And I make again a wait for half a second. So this is basically our program. We go now to show the circuit. This is our circuit, the same circuit that we used in example 1. So as you see, we'll use interrupt 0 and we will operate this 8 LEDs. We go to AVR Studio, we write our program. So this is the program I already write. We do build. After building our program, it succeeds and no failures or mistakes. We go to the simulator and upload our program to our microcontroller. So we upload the HEX file. Okay, click OK and run the simulation. So as you see, the result, this is the operation 1, which is a rollover LED. Okay, now when an interrupt happens on the falling edge, we'll stop. As you see, it stopped at D2, blink 5 times and continue where it stopped. Okay, again let's stop in another LED. Let's see, we stop here, D4, stop, blink 5 times. So this is the interrupt action. Then it continue where it was stopped. Okay, so this is the implementation of example 2 of interrupt. As you see, after uploading the program probably, I have action 1 is running, which is rolling over an LED. Now if I push the interrupt of button 1, you see operation 2 happens, blinking 4 times and then continue. So anytime I touch the button, interrupt action will happen and this operation 2 will execute and then continue operation 1. Thank you for watching the video and see you in next video.